Let's talk about how to design successful workshops. Thinking about a workshop's moving parts can be overwhelming. So the ASE Academy follows a model that sets a strong foundation for every workshop design. We call it the Four Pillars of Facilitation. The people pillar refers to all the people involved in the design, planning, and delivery of a workshop, including the facilitation team, sponsors, participants, and speakers. The knowledge pillar refers to all the information that would support achieving the workshop's objectives, which could include books, articles, TED Talks, and live experts. The environment pillar refers to the physical and digital space where the workshop takes place and the materials, tools, and technology used by the participants. Finally, the process pillar refers to how the tasks within a workshop are accomplished, from large group discussions to presentations to breakouts. Let's look at these ideas in action. Effie is delivering a strategic workshop for her client. Let's see how she used the four pillars to set herself up for success. People. Bringing the right people together is the most critical step for designing an effective workshop. When Effie was planning this event, her first step was finding the right client sponsors, people who are motivated and influential enough to mobilize participants. The sponsors provided the workshop context, which helped shape the design to suit their objectives. Thanks to this focus on the people, Effie included the right participants with the knowledge, investment, and authority to make meaningful decisions in the workshop and beyond. Knowledge. Turning her attention to the workshop objectives, Effie considered what outside knowledge could be included to inspire participants and empower them to be successful. She was thoughtful about injecting the proper knowledge and data to expand participants' sense of what is possible and transform surface-level discussions into impactful decisions. Environment. A well-designed environment is one that participants never think about. We can see that Effie has made the workshop environment as seamless and convenient as possible. She considered what kind of seating arrangements make sense, and what tools and supplies participants may need, and used technology to include virtual participants in the experience effectively. Overall, Effie's thoughtful consideration ensured that the environment supported the needs of the workshop participants and fostered creativity, collaboration, and focus. Process. Effie has designed the flow of this workshop to meet the workshop objectives. She used a mix of small group discussions and large group presentations to ensure everyone could meaningfully contribute to solutions. Effie adapted to the challenges that arose with flexibility, made decisions that enabled progress, and helped maximize productivity, alignment, and engagement as participants worked to meet their objectives. We can see how Effie's design efforts drove the delivery of a successful workshop. How might things have turned out if Effie's workshop lacked focus on these four pillars? If the right people were omitted? If the proper knowledge wasn't available? If the environment was a hassle instead of an aid? Or if the process didn't enable progress and collaboration? The outcomes would surely fall short of their potential. Effie's careful attention to the workshop's design helped her unlock the group's full potential to create a lasting impact. Practice makes progress.